Well, folks, it's Oktoberfest. Oktoberfest, German, and I love German food. I have to tell you a story. About 53 years ago, when I was a young pup in Dallas, Texas, working for Texas Instruments, my favorite restaurant, and still today, is a German place run by a friend of mine, Kuby's, over on Snyder Plaza by SMU. I used to go in there and get these wonderful dishes. Great sandwiches, liverwurst, great sausages, knockwurst, some little special sausages, Lundjägers. But mostly when he served this, he served it with this dish called Wurst Salad. I didn't know what that was. It was years later that I understood that's Wurst Salad. And that's what we're gonna make today. And this is also a great dish for an Oktoberfest party, for sandwiches, for all kinds of fall dishes. Very German, you're gonna love it. Now, I went online and tried to find the recipe, but I couldn't find it. So I called Kuby's, and they gave me the basic ingredients, so I had to experiment a little bit. I was able to figure it out pretty darn close, and this is some really good stuff. Now, let's get started here. Let's talk about some of the ingredients. Now, first of all, I have this wonderful German bologna here. I had the butcher cut it in thick slices, and then I diced it up. German bologna is not like the bologna I ate in Oklahoma. This is some good stuff, got a great flavor to it. Cut it in pieces, and I don't know, this is probably 2 cups or so. Just kind of go with what you feel about right here. Now we put in the German bologna in here. Now the other worst is I took some German bratwurst and I put them on the grill, let them cool down. Then I put those in diced pieces as well. And here once again, about the same amount as the German bologna. So in goes the German bratwurst. We're gonna put in crispy gherkin pickles. These things are great. So, I don't know, what do you think that is? Maybe 1.25 cups, I don't know, whatever. Next, about the same amount of just good old celery. That goes in. And now, onions. Now I have to tell you something, I soaked these onions in water for about a couple hours. That takes that strong bite out of them, so we're gonna drain the water off here. And in goes the onions. Okay. Now, white wine vinegar, rice vinegar, something like that, just a little bit, whatever you feel good about. Now, I'm not giving you exact measurements because this is something that I think comes internally. Okay? A little white vinegar there. Some coarse brown black pepper. Just a little bit, and some kosher salt. All right, now kind of mix that around a little. And finally, mayonnaise. Germans like mayonnaise. You could put a little mustard in this too, but I'm just pretty much going to stick with mayonnaise because that's how my friend Karl Kuby did it. Okay, and let's get this all mixed in really good. And you can put about as much mayonnaise as you want. So folks, here we have it. Check this out. How about that, guys? Now that is some wonderful, delicious Wurst Salad, Wurst Salad, a great Bavarian German Oktoberfest dish. You're gonna love this, and you're gonna be the hero of the party when you serve this. I've got some wonderfully delicious German rye bread here. So we're gonna put some of this on and make ourselves a little sandwich. That's good, guys. Huh. I can just hear those old Bavarians yodeling right now. Can you hear that? Anyway, you can just eat this straight too, out of the dish. That's good. That's real good. That's it for today. remember, a clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. And this is a very happy kitchen. Adios and yum yum. Happy Oktoberfest.
Yalla, 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 yalla.